can paint smarter and faster with the new Flexio 590 by Wagner, featuring iSpray technology and the X-Boost turbine that gives you the power to paint any paint, anywhere. Introducing the Flexio 590 from Wagner. The Flexio 590 is the most complete sprayer kit that gives you the power and flexibility to tackle any painting project indoors and out. The Flexio sprayers feature 2 exclusive and patented technologies that help provide the power to spray any paint, anywhere. The X-Boost turbine and the iSpray nozzle combine to deliver unmatched coverage and a professional finish on broad surfaces. The Flexio 590 also comes with the detail finish nozzle for small projects and fine finishing. The X-Boost turbine delivers adjustable control with a variable power setting for all your project needs. The turbine generates 3 times more power for full coverage and a professional finish. The iSpray nozzle has the ability to spray any residential coating, even on thin latex. It's great for broad surfaces and fast coverage. Plus, you can easily adjust the flow rate and the spray pattern. The detail finish nozzle is ideal for those projects that require a fine finish. Projects like cabinets, furniture, and crafts will have a smooth, even coating. The Flexio 590 makes short work of your detail projects, including edges, corners, and chairs. And broad interior surfaces can now be sprayed instead of using a traditional roller, saving you time for other projects.
This is the Xtend+Climb Telescoping Ladder, the convenient, portable, lightweight ladder for all of your household and professional needs. What sets the Xtend+Climb Ladder apart is its retractable, small, and transportable size, which can be stored almost anywhere. This allows you to carry a compact, full-size ladder with one arm while grabbing supplies or opening doors with the other. Its lightweight design offers effortless movement to be able to fit in small spaces. True telescoping technology offers a stable ladder experience and has surpassed all ANSI and OSHA standards. When your task is complete, effortlessly retract your ladder back to its compact size and you're on your way. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a full-time contractor, Xtend+Climb offers the go-to ladder to make your job simpler, one step at a time.
Flipout by SpeedHex. The red light means it is in charging mode. The light will go out when it is fully charged. The driver will not run if plugged in. The SpeedHex Quick Connect system. To load and unload bits, pull collar forward to release the Quick Connect. Functionality of orbital head. To rotate head 360 degrees, push the switch up. To move angle of driver head, push lower button on side and rotate. To move angle of connector, push upper button on side and rotate. LED work light. To turn LED light on, rotate blue button located on side. To start, squeeze trigger slowly for lowest speed. Increase pressure for faster speed. The forward-reverse switch is below and to the side of the trigger. The unit will not work if the forward-reverse switch is in the neutral or middle position.
The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of screwdrivers. Sure, you can zip in or remove a screw with ease, but you can also light an area, strip and bend wire, and detect a live circuit all in the palm of your hand. The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver has a forward-reverse ring that activates with a simple twist. Once activated, the LED lights turn on, illuminating your work. When not in use, the spindle locks and can be used like a manual screwdriver. A circuit sensor is located at the front of the tool. Press the voltage detection button and place the sensor within 1 inch of a switch, outlet, cord, or fixture to see if it is live. A light and a buzzer will let you know if electricity is present. An integrated wire stripper makes short work of taking off an insulation sleeve, and wires can be bent using the bending slot on top. Take the guesswork out of any electrical project and use a rechargeable screwdriver that just does more. the Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver. Hammerhead. Works smarter.
Excuse me. Oh, making a little progress in here.
I've been working on this trim for a while. It's painstaking.
Yeah, it can take a little time, but it's also a great opportunity to show you how to use the quick painter. So you can get rid of that old antique brush, and we'll show you how this works. Now, to fill the quick painter is pretty simple. Just put it in a gallon of paint, draw back on the handle, and this is really the only time that I'm going to be touching paint. So I just have a rag handy, wipe off all the excess.
That is the only rag or towel you use?
That's the only time that you use it.
More money saved.
Now, we're using a pad, not a roller like we have with the paint stick, but this is no ordinary pad. This is made from neoprene. Same thing they make scuba diving suits from, so you know this is really tough.
Yeah.
Now, to get the paint from here to here, all you need to do is just push this little trigger right here. Watch this as we push, 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 and there comes the paint. Up like that. Now, if you want to adjust the amount of paint, there's a little twist screw. Twist that to get the right amount of paint every time.
That's great.
Now, take a look at these wings right here. You see these wings? These go against the trim. What this will allow you to do is get the paint to go right to the trim, but not on it. Let me show you. Just put it against the wall and pull the trigger.
So they guide you along the edge without getting paint on it.
Hey, what's happening? Barnaby here, along with Gary, a man who's been in the trades for 30+ years, and inside of him was such great potential, and that potential is being realized now as the field specialist at Climb, because you came up with an idea for a tool, a long-standing problem in the trade, and you have solved it. What do you got, brother?
I have the Locknut wrench.
Not the Gary?
Not the Gary. No, this is an actual, very unique tool that's designed to help install lock nuts in cut-in boxes or in boxes that are existing, to take them apart or whatever, to remove that lock nut or tighten that lock nut down.
Okay, so let's get to the specific problem. So you've got like a commercial retrofit, right? You got a deep box,
Correct.
right? And so now you've got all this conduit coming into it, already been connected. Now you got to break the nuts off it, right? The connectors. And how do you do that? By hand, usually, right?
Yeah, one of the biggest, hardest problems that there is, Barnaby, is you try to get in there somehow and you try to grab that lock nut.
Right.
You don't have enough room to turn that tool.
Right. Everybody knows what you're talking about there, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
So then you go to the secondary device where you grab your demo driver.
Right.
You put it up against the side of the lock nut here on the ear.
Right.
And you take a hammer and you start beating it.
Right.
To
And it
tighten
skips
to
off.
loosen it. Yeah, it
Right.
skips off, or it's a very unethical way of doing things.
Right. I think it's primitive.
It is.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So what does this do that's different?
So what this does that's different, this actually, it has a half and it has a 3/4 for the lock nuts. You can put the lock nut on. We'll use this right here.
Okay.
Marty. This, you be the wall, I
I'm
be
the
the
wall.
tool.
Yes.
Okay. So you take the wires and you stick them through.
Oh, so it's got a hole in the backside.
It's got a hole in the backside so
Smart.
you can feed through.
Yep.
You get this to come in here, and then you put this into the box.
Right.
You get it onto the threads, and then you actually turn the other side. So like right now, the 1/2 inch is going in. I'm using a 3/4 side to tighten up the lock nut.
So that has some sort of direct drive in it.
That is correct.
Yeah. Okay. And so that's trademarked, I guess the name is, but now it's patent pending.
Patent pending.
That's
correct.
innovative stuff.
Yeah.
So you're going to live on well past your years with this tool.
I hope so.
That's unbelievable. You got to feel great about this.
I actually feel very good about it. Bringing something to the industry to help all the electricians out is
Yeah.
a fantastic idea.
Okay. And so what about when you want to maybe break a nut off
All
of
right,
it or a connector?
To give an example, let's just say this lock nut's been on there for a long time.
Yeah.
The guy to put it on there was a big brute guy,
Sure.
He beat it on there. Weak guy like me can't take that apart.
Right.
So I got this tool now. It can actually take, let me hold this up here like this, slip this into it,
Oh.
and use this as a leverage bar.
Wow.
To either tighten it or to break it.
Can you take credit for that innovation?
Let's just say I'll try.
Okay, yeah. But you came up with the root idea, which is awesome.
I came up with the root idea, yeah.
Yeah. So then what about the various size nuts? And they come in different configurations. There's like an East Coast preferred.
Yeah.
There's the die cut, the stamp.
Yeah, this it handles all the different standards of the lock nuts there are.
Yeah.
This is actually a metal lock nut.
Right.
That'll fit right in there as well. It's designed to handle all the different types of lock nuts.
Smart.
Okay, and again, you have a 1/2 inch side, and then you have a 3/4 inch side.
Nice. There you go. Doesn't need to be any more than that because it's brilliant, as simple as it is.
Thank you.
Yeah, cool. Unlike you.
All right.
All right. Anyway, so Gary, thank you for bringing that tool to market.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, and a lot of people probably watching this are saying, hey, you know what? I got to tell everybody I know about this because this is awesome, because it truly is. So the way to do that is through Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. You can share it that way. Text Klein to 37527 if you're of that ilk, where you want to get information, because that's how it comes to you, all the latest and greatest in innovations. And then the Tradesman's Club, where you join that, and then you get the good information and also a chance to win giveaways. And that all the information about this is going to be in a one-stop shop, and that is kleintools.com. So good luck on your next invention.
All right.
Yeah.
And Barnaby, thank you.
You got yourself a winner.
There's a powerful new tool that combines 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. With this one tool, you can tackle all your projects around the house or on the job. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.
If you're looking for a drain cleaner with more power in the shower, no kinks in the sink, and that you'll love in the tub, Ridgid has the tool for you. The Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner. With a battery-powered drill and Ridgid's exclusive auto-feed trigger technology, just pull the trigger and the 25-foot kink-resistant cable self-feeds through the drain line quickly and smoothly till it reaches and removes the blockage. Simpler blockages can be handled manually. The Power Spin Plus features a reinforced hand grip for comfort and firm control, a lightweight polyethylene drum that will not dent or rust, and a positively retained cable in the drum prevents cable pullout. When you need to clear the drain without the pain and without the mess, count on the brand with a nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship and a full lifetime warranty, the Ridgid Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner.